Hey everybody, Joe here. Gonna check out a puzzle today by The Bard called Anti-Quads 5. The rules are normal Sudoku rules, that's 1 to 9 in every row, column, and 3 by 3 box. Quadruples are digits in a white quadruple circle, must be placed at least once in the 4 cells touching that circle. Anti-quadruples, digits in the pink circle cannot appear in one of the 4 surrounding cells. And that is it. Okay, so that won't be confusing at all, right? So 3, 4. Well, first off, there's a 3 in one of these. It can't be in that one because of the red. There's a 3 in one of these. So 3 goes on the bottom. Like such. Um, 1. Eight. Eight cannot go there. Eight can go there. Alright. A 2. It's there and there. Must be there. A 2 will be on the bottom row there then. 4 cannot go here. Must go here. Only there. These will have a 3, 4 in it. Let's just mark it. A 6 cannot go there. Cannot go there. Cannot go there. Cannot go there. An 8 cannot go there. Cannot go there. So an 8 must go here in that column. A 1, 2, 3, 4 cannot go there, cannot go there. This will be 1, 3. What was I thinking? Cannot go there, cannot go there. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. And a 4 can also not go there. Four can also not go there. Cannot go there. cannot go there. So since, okay, this is a little bit Fistmithil ring right now. Since the 4, actually, all of 1, 2, 3, 4. So the Fistmithil ring is these 16 digits surrounding the middle 3 by 3. These digits will always appear in a normal Sudoku in these 4 outer 2 by 2s. So say if you had around this ring, if you had 3 2s, then there would be 3 2s somewhere in the outside 2 by 2s. So since there are no 1, 2, 3, 4s anywhere, there are also no 1, 2, 3, 4s around here. So these two are not, there cannot be 1, 2, 3, or 4, so it took those out. So these are 1, 3 pair, these are 3, 4 pair. That's probably going to do more. Maybe. Well, okay, so, you're right. So these are 1, 2. Let me keep going with that though. Because one, it seems like there's still more. So, no, no, no. Right, so these are going to be 1, 2. And then, no, no. What does that leave me? 1, 2 are a pair there. So these outside ones are 3, 4. Those outside ones are 3, 4. These outside ones are 1, 2. These outside ones are 2, 4. Okay, let's do that. This is 3, 4, 1, 2, 2, 4. 3, 4, 1, 2, 2, 4. Like that. And this is not 8. Because that was the only spot that those could go. Okay, I think that's gonna be, I think that's probably gonna be all. No, it is gonna do more still. So it's gonna put a 2 right there. Gonna put an 8 over here. It's gonna put a 7 down here. It's getting a bit confusing. Not yet, not yet. It's gonna put 8 here. The 7 was here. One, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. There can be a 5 there. There cannot be a 5 here. 5, 6, or 7 cannot go there. So the 5, 6, or 7 must go here. So that is a 5. So this has to be a 9. Right. This is not 7, 8, or 9. So 7, 8, or 9 go there. So this is a 5 or a 6 only. And 6, 8, or 9 cannot be in that square. So they must be here. 6, 8, 9. And then this will be a 5 or 7. But the 5 could go up here. This. Oh wait, I didn't get nothing here with the 1, 2, 3, 4, did I? I did not. Interesting. What about this square though? It sees a 1. I'm not sure. Oh, I could start coloring some of these, I think. Say, yeah, since there's a 1, 2, then I know since this one sees this one's the yellow one, this one's the pink one. Right. But then that's all I really get there. Although I do get 1 pink here and 1 yellow here. So there's like, on one side or the other is the 1, 2. And then it's gonna be the same with the 3, 4s. This one is green, this one is blue. And yellow will have to be in one of these with green. Yellow and green are here. And then this one is pink, blue, like such. And there's gonna be a yellow, blue here, and a pink, green here, like that. And that'll just be 1, 2, 3, 4, and then so the 9 goes here. The 8 is only in one of these two, and it's only in one of these two, so it has to be on the top. Since I have it how did I get it cornered down over here? Was that accurate? I'm not sure how I've made it over there. Is that true? Why is that true? Oh, right, yeah, okay. So 8 is in fact right there. So 8 is in one of those, and it's in one of these. Okay, that's all good. That gets to wait. 8 is around here, 8 is around here. With a 2 as well. Yeah, I already got 2 in the bottom. 2 is either yellow or pink. It's 5, 8, 6. Cannot go there. Cannot go there. Well, it also can't go in these. It can't go in these. It can't go there. It can't go there. So it must go there. It's the only spot left. That was nice. 8. 8 cannot go there now. And it is also not in that row. It's not in that row. So it must go there. Only spot left. And then this is going to be... Oh, no. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is still 5 or 7. Okay, that is interesting. So it's just 9 only. I think it could still be a 5 or a 6. Perhaps. I'll leave that alone for now. I don't think it's done. This is gonna have a 5 or a 7 with it as well. Let's see. Now where am I looking? I guess I need to remember, never will there be a right. There's never gonna be a 1, 2, 3, 4 around here. There will never be a 1, 2, 3, 4. So the 2 has to be here. The 2 cannot be here. But it could still be there or not there, but there. The 2 could be in one of those spots. Just depends on what color it ends up being, I suppose. The 8. 8 is in one of these. The 8 being here. 8 cannot be there, cannot be there. The 8 is in one of these spots. And one of these spots, right. It's quite a lot. Okay. Oh, the 7 is in one of these already, so it's not in one of these. The 8 is in one of these. It's not in one of these. That's not a pair at the moment, because this one could be a 5, or still a 7. If the 8, the 8 goes in one of these. Was that? I guess that's not technically interesting yet. maybe? 7? No, no, no. 4? No. Oh, what about this? There's gotta be a 7 in one of these, but it can't be that one. 7 goes there. This is gonna be a 5 or a 6. Am I gonna get some more that way? I don't think so. Not yet. Five, 6. Are we gonna end up coloring those two? Probably gonna have everything colored by the end of this, aren't we? It's gonna get quite confusing, maybe. 7 is down here, huh? If the 8 is here, the 7 has to be here. This would be a 5, 6. That seems okay. The 2. There's gonna be 2 6s. At least. Well, I don't know if I can use that yet. Because there could be a 6 there as well, I reckon. So, what about 8's gonna be along there somewhere? No. And 8 is there or there. And 8 is not there. And 8 is only there. Alright, and it's here that it makes the L. Okay. The 7, not here, not here, not here. It could go there though. Close. About 6. Not there, not there, not there. Same kind of deal. Close. Five or 7 cannot go there. If this is 7, I guess that would be okay. if it's 5, 5, 7 could not go there. That would be okay. I think 7 could go there. So 5 could go up here, 7 could be in any of them. 7 does have to make an appearance in the corner at least 2 times. But it could even possibly go 3. This one is kind of holding me back, I think. 1, 2, 3 would be the max. But it already has to be over there 2 times. Okay. What am I missing? I'm overlooking something. Where does 4 go if it cannot go here? It goes in this L, but 4 could be green or blue. The 2 does not go here, does it? The 2 goes in this chunk. But okay, if the 2 went here, it would have to be there. And then it would have to be there. And then it would have to be there and there. And there. I guess that is okay. But then 1 would just have to go over here. That is fun. But then that would be 3 then. And 3 would have to go right there. I guess that would be okay. 3, 3, 3. 3 would go over here. I guess that would be alright. This cannot be 1, 2, 3, or 4 though. Because it sees yellow, green, pink, blue. And look, it cannot be 5, 6, or 7. This is 8 or 9. That did not help. As much as it was looking like it was going to, that was not that big of a help. I mean, the circle right there shows 8 and 9 go somewhere in this region. One of them definitely go here though. So I guess that's good. But the 8 could still go here. What goes here? It cannot be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It can just be 3 or 9. And that's it. Right? It cannot be 1. 2 is limited. 3 cannot be 4, 5, 6, 7. There's an 8. Oh, and 9 goes here. So this can only be 3. So this is not. And now 3. Three cannot be here. So it must be in one of these. It's fine. Ah, but 3 cannot be along here either. And in fact, 1, 2, 3, 4 cannot be along here. This cannot be 5, 6, 7. So this is 8, 9 only. This cannot be 1, 2, 3, 4. It can be 5, 6. And that's it. 5 and 6 is all. This cannot be 1, 2, 3, 4. It can be 5. It cannot be 6. It can be 7. But it cannot be 8 or 9. So now we have a 5, 7 pair. So this is 6. And then we have to have these have to be pink and green. I mean, yellow and green then. These are yellow and green, which again in turn makes these pink blue. And that's because of these doubles here, the 5, 7 and the 8, 9, so these had to be low digits opposite of these to make, 1 through 9 in the whole row. So this is now this. I don't know if that's worth a color yet. Maybe. Because this one will go down here. Maybe let's do that. Where am I at even? Brown probably. So brown, brown. This will be blue. Blue will be down here. With the 9. And that'll probably... Brown and blue will be up. 5, 7 will be up here. And then the other 8 or 9 will be up here with a 6. So 5, 6, 7 for sure. And then oh, well, this will just be 8 or 9. And then 5, 6, 7 will be there. Right. Okay. 8 or 9 is probably going to be colored soon as well. The way this puzzle's going. So... but this still could have been... No, that was 5, 7 only. But this could have been 5 up here, is why this was not a combo. This one, any of these can be 7 still, if that is 7. Oh, if that is 7, 1, 2, 3, could have 4. There could be 4 7s around the ring. Oh no, there could not. Look, if this was 7, 1, 2, 3. This would be 5, so there would be 1 up here. There would be a 2nd here. There would be a 3rd there. But then there would be a 4th. As in, there would need to be 4. Well, it could be right there. But there's the problem. No, it could not be right there. Because then the 7 would be here. And this cannot have a 7 there. So these... Am I saying those cannot be 7? Really? If they were 7, there would have to be 3 7s in the outside. One of them would most definitely be here. Most definitely be here. Most definitely be here. And most definitely be here. There would have to be 4. This would be the only spot left for it to get a 4th, and that would break this. Yes. So these are 5. Those are 5. Whoops. Hold up. Only the brown ones. This is 7. Now there must be a 5 up here, which can only go in one of those 2 spots. Which takes 5 out of here and places it here. And there would be a 7 here. And take that thing away. And 7 is blue. 7 cannot go there. It can go there still. It could going. Okay, that's too many for now. Okay, let's go ahead and finish this out. So, 8's gonna be purple, 9's gonna be light pink. So it's gonna be light pink in here. Eight is dark purple. That's good enough for now, I guess. 8. What is the deal with 8 here? 8 is going up and down. 8 is going here. Okay. Oh, I don't have... Oh no, did I use too many colors? Oh, I just started in a weird way. Alright. 6 will be red then. Easy. 6 is red. So 6 has to be in the 2x2 on the outside. At least 3 times. It's going to be 1, 2, and if it is here, then it will have to be 4 times. And it will have to be here. And then that will break this middle box again. Let me make sure of that. If this is 6, this is 6. If this is 6, that will be 3. That's 1, 2, 3 that it would have to go in. But then it would need to be in this one as well because of this. So it would have to be in 4. So it would have to go, it can't go there. It wouldn't be able to go here because of that one. So it would have to go there. And in doing that, it would place it on this top row, and it can't be here because of that circle, and it can't be here because of that circle. So this is a 5, which is brown, and that is red, which is 6. And now, brown's in the middle, and one of these two. And so 6 cannot go like that. So 6 is right there only, which makes 2 here. And it will put 2 down here. Because of Sudoku, we have 2 on the right here, the middle, left. This is now 5 only. Let's do colors. Why not? I don't know if those are yellow or pink yet. Same with the 3. Red is 6. There will be a 6 down here, and it can't go here because of this circle. So that is 6. These are not. 6 will be here. One. This can be 1, 4, or 5. Only. Now, can it really be 1 or 4? That may have to be 5. I'm not quite sure yet. I'm thinking Well, yeah, it does have to be, right? Because this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah, that's right. So, this is 5. And then this will be a 1, 4. So 7 or a 9 or none of those. So 4 does not go there. So this is 2, 3, 4 then. That's all that can be. And then this will be 1, 9. And that will be a combo. So this, right, is going to give us our 3. It's also, I don't know if this corner was done yet, so I'm going to leave that alone. I'm going to fill in what I do get from that real quick. That's going to give me quite a lot on these smaller numbers. Quite a lot. This will be 2. This will be a 3, 4 combo now. With 4, 1, 4. This will be 1, 4. And this will be 2, 3. And 2. Alright, so 3 is green, 2 is yellow, 1 is pink, 4 is blue. So blue, pink, and yellow, yellow, yellow. 3 is green. Okay. Yellow is going to be here, so that is green. This is yellow, so that is our 2. That is our 3. 3 is going to be one of those. Okay, so now there's a 5 that goes in here somewhere. That's what it was. 5, 5, 5, 5. This is 5, 7, 8, 9. 5 goes in one of these. Yeah, so I was right not to mark that yet. Then, oh, yeah. 9 does go in one of those. 5 is going vertical. 5 is brown. I'm gonna start taking number 5s from now on. Very interesting. 8 will be, just have to, oh no, not quite. 2s. What about this? Still unresolved? It'll be a 1, 3 and a 2, 4. But yes, unresolved at the moment. 3, 5, 8. 8 is in this column now. therefore 8 is here. And somewhere here. 8 will be somewhere there. It's already in these two. Oh, right. We already knew that it was in this column. Okay. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cannot be 6 or 7, cannot be 8. That is 9 only. Now this is 8, this is 9, this is 9. This is now 8. This is now 2. That got a chunk. 5, 7, still going. Even more of a chunk. Alright, 5, 6. Okay, nice. More of a chunk. That's 8. 5, 9. That went around pretty much the entire board there. So we have 3 7s, which is looking correct. We have 3 7s in the outside 2x2s, and we have 3 7s in the inner ring. And this can still be a 7 by Sudoku. So this is 7, 9, 5, 6, and I reckon that it's all gonna fall into place now, perhaps. Once I can see through all the colors. What do we have here? A 3, 6. 3, 6. Yeah, right. So that is 3, that is 6. This will be 1 and 3. Let me just fix that real quick. That one is green. 1 is pink. 2 is yellow. 4 is blue. Get those hashtags out of the way. Or color hashes, maybe. Seven is blue. 9 is light pink. Yeah, right. Okay. What's left in here? There's a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 9. It would look like, and 4 cannot go here. So 4 is here, 9 is here. That breaks this. Doesn't break it, but it breaks it wide open. This is a 1. That is a 1. We have a 4 here. That gives us that finally. And we have a 7 and an 8, which is there and there. And that does it. That was a nice little puzzle. By The Bard, Anti-Quads 5. Check it out for yourself in the link below. Like and subscribe if you enjoy. And I do appreciate you watching. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.